in order to create our puzzle piece, we're going to have to add a couple tabs on the top and right side, as well as some cutouts on the left side and bottom. We're going to begin by adding the tabs on the top and right. With your 50 by 50 square created, we will be able to create a new sketch on the surface of this square. Simply click the surface one time that you wish to draw on and it will turn blue. Then go to your Sketch tab and from the Line menu select Center Line. We will need to locate the middle of our line. When you move the mouse along the line, you should find points appear at each end as well as the middle of each line. Click one time to begin drawing with your Center Line tool. As you move your mouse around, you will find the length and angle of the line can change. We want our line to go directly up at 90 degrees. The length is not important at this time, it can be edited later. Click one time to end your line. To stop drawing with the Line tool, we can press the Escape key on the keyboard or simply double-click the left button on your mouse. You'll notice that the cursor is still a pencil and shows the center line as the drawing tool selected. Now let's move to the right side of our square. Again, we can find the endpoints and center point of our line. Then begin drawing from the center point by clicking once and extending a line directly out to the right. You should notice in your parameters that this line is at 360 degrees. Click the mouse once again, then press Escape. My cursor is now an arrow, and I can use it to click on the line to change my length. As we can see right now, my line is over 18 millimeters long and needs to be edited to 5 millimeters. I will do the same with the line on the right hand side. 5 millimeters. We're going to use the end points of these lines, here and here, to be the starting point for our circle and polygon tools in the next video.